We recently worked on the Neptune Terminals coal facilities upgrade project, which set out to significantly increase the capacity of the existing terminal. Our team delivered a large scope of electrical and instrumentation work including estimation, procurement, project management, controls, installation, commissioning, and quality control.
This was a large, complex project with an accelerated schedule. To stay on target, we collaborated directly with the general contractor, EPC contractor, and owner. Together, we developed an optimized project management plan and budgeting model that allowed us to identify scheduling needs in advance and meet critical project milestones. We also leveraged 3D modeling and prefabrication to maximize productivity and reduce our on-site footprint.
With over 220,000 meters of cable pulled and a labor peak of 350 people on site, we helped install components for a new dumper building, an E-house, 2 incoming conveyors, and a new transfer tower. We also worked with engineers to complete the seismic design for cable tray supports to allow for future expansion of new cables within the new cable tray installation.
To address industrial and COVID safety requirements, we established a designated site safety team that performed regular walkthroughs, training, and COVID monitoring. By the end of the project, we had completed over 500,000 labor hours with 0 lost time incidents. Special thanks to our project partners and talented teams for making this project a success.